birthday. Keep your eyes covered. To you. Happy birthday, dear Jaden. Happy birthday to you. Now, Jaden,
Yeah?
you have to admit we had a pretty crappy year this year, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we gave you a lot, but we had a crappy year.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got you something that was reminiscent of the crap you put us through for your birthday. Does it stink yet?
No.
Okay, well, you can open your eyes.
Okay.
Poop.
Seriously?
Cat litter.
Seriously?
Well, you gave us crap, right? Right?
No.
Let me turn the light on so you can get good. Oh, don't touch the poop.
It's not.
Crap, I just broke my whole fingernail off.
That's not good.
Spaz was kind of mad we stole all the poop out of her litter box. Look, can you smell it? Is that a crappy birthday?
Yeah.
There's poop on the pooper scooper too. Want to lick it?
No.
Yeah, you do. Are you mad?
No.
Yeah. No, you're not.
I said yeah.
Go ahead and taste it.
No.
Why?
No.
Do you think we'd give you crap and it wasn't a crappy year? Happy birthday, buddy. Bet you're kind of surprised,
Is that
huh?
seriously?
Cat poop. But that's not your
No.
real cake.
No. No.
Here, take a lick.
No.
Make a wish, buddy.
Wait,
Look.
is that fake?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh, you little. Wait, you
Look.
bought that at Baker's?
Look.
Is that how you bought at Baker's?
Mhm,
A
look.
fake cat litter thing?
Look. Eat that
No.
big curly turd.
No.
Open your mouth.
No.
What is that?
Chocolate.
Which kind?
Mm-hmm.
Tootsie Roll.
Oh.
Make
Just feel okay.
a wish, buddy. Make a wish. Put your glasses on.
I know, look you up though.
Do you like your birthday cake?
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome, huh? Did we prank you?
Yeah.
Do you think we'd really give you crap?
Maybe.
No!
How do you even Tootsie Rolls like that? Girl,
You warm them up and you roll out the turd. That's how you do it, buddy. Do you like that? Alright, well go ahead and make a wish, buddy. Even though you're- Oh, okay. Even though this is your official birthday, this isn't your birthday party. That will be in 2 weeks. But,
So I'm gonna have another birthday cake?
of course, we just want to do something special for your actual birthday, you know?
And this just better not be this as my real birthday.
No, I won't do that at your real birthday party. Your
I'll
friends
be
might be
embarrassed.
scared.
I'll be embarrassed.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and make a wish, buddy, before it starts melting wax on everything. 9 years old.
I'm not telling you it though.
Okay, you don't have to. Good job. Happy birthday, buddy.
Low on it.